Hello, link leaders. This is Miss Sanagar, and I'll be walking you through Thursday and Friday's assignment, which will be September 24th and 25th. We will be quickly reviewing Monday and Tuesday's assignment. This was assignment number 1, which is to share your story of self. You created a Google Doc where you reflected on 3 experiences. You wrote about the values that you acquired because of those experiences and how you want to show up in the world. You should have also turned that document into Google Classroom and turned it in. What I'd like you to do is go ahead and open up that document because you will be needing to use one of those experiences in part 2 of this assignment. So today we'll be creating a discussion board. You will be choosing one experience to share. You will be posting that to a tool called Padlet. It's called Padlet website. The website will need a password. It's password protected. The password is BA Link Crew, all lowercase. In order to have a discussion, that requires for people to ask questions and then for you to go back to respond to those questions. So a dialogue is when we go back and forth, listen to others, and then respond with an authentic and genuine response. So the criteria is that you respond to at least 2 people on the discussion board. If you see someone who already has 2 questions, go ask a question somewhere else. We want to make sure that everyone has a chance to respond and reflect and to answer to a question. So when you see that someone has asked you a question, you will go back and respond to that thread in at least 2 sentences. Here's a resource for you to use if you need help thinking about questions. These question stems will allow you to get some really authentic responses. Can you tell me more about your experience? How did it feel when that happened to you? Why do you think it is that you felt that way? Who did you look to when that happened to you? I'm really curious about that experience. Can you tell me more? What was the hardest part about that? What was your first reaction to? What was the impact of that on your life? All of these questions are going to be really good questions to draw out more reflection and more information from your peer. So be sure to choose at least 2 of these for your questioning assignment. Again, the discussion board criteria is to ask 2 questions, and you'll leave your name as a signature, just so that we know who to give credit to. Limit 2 questions per post. If you see a peer with no questions, ask a question. Go back and read your discussion threads and respond to the question with at least 2 sentences. So we'll know that you did the assignment when we see a back and forth dialogue. So go back to slide number 6, click on the Padlet website link, and that'll take you to Padlet. Remember that the password is BA Link Crew. So here's Padlet. This is what the website looks like. It's called Sanagar Leadership and Link Crew. Go ahead and enter your password, and you will create your own post by clicking here on the pencil icon in the bottom left-hand corner. It'll bring up a field where you have title and then your writing field. You also have the option to upload photos, websites, and different media. For example, videos, GIFs, and audio even. You can even draw or record your voice. The first thing you'll want to do is write your first and last name on your post. Then you'll write you one experience that you want to share, what you value now, and how you want to show up in the world. Just make sure to follow my exemplar. When we're done posting, we will give you time to go and read. I hope you enjoy reading everyone's experiences. I'm really proud of you guys for sharing and opening up the way you did. You guys are amazing. After about 20 minutes and we have read everyone's posts, you will choose one that really kind of captured your heart, and you will ask a question. Remember to leave your name as a signature. After you ask your 2 questions, you will come back and read your question, and you will respond in at least 2 sentences with an authentic response. And that is part 2 of the story of self. Have fun with this assignment and let me know if you have any further questions.